Hi, I'm Susan from Susan Newman Design, and we're at Mission 50 in Hoboken learning WordPress. In this video, we're going to learn how to load an Excel spreadsheet into WordPress.
We're on a website that's using WordPress for its content management system, and now we're going to learn how to load an Excel spreadsheet into WordPress. So one of the things that's very important here is that there's a couple of different ways that you can share an Excel spreadsheet with other people. And that is that you have to convert that Excel spreadsheet to 3 different types of documents. One way is to make it into a zipped file. A second way is to make it into a PDF that you can share. And another is to take either a screenshot or a few screenshots, or open your PDF in Photoshop and make some of those images into screenshots. So let me show you a couple of examples. If you go to your dashboard of your WordPress site, what you want to do is you want to upload into your media library the images you've created, or the PDF, or the zip that you've created. So if we're going to go to the media gallery, and you'll see that I've already loaded a PDF here of that Excel spreadsheet, and I made a little graphic just for the purposes of this so that you could see what I've done. So then I added a new page. And you'll see right here is where you could load a little graphic if you wanted to show an example and then put a link on this. Or here is the PDF where I just loaded the link for someone to just click on this and they can download the PDF. So in your document here, in your page here, you could load a graphic of the Excel, or a few graphics. You could load a PDF that's a version that others can see of it, or you could make a zipped file, upload that, and put a link on that too. So those are the 3 different ways that you can share an Excel document with others.
I hope that video was helpful. For more information, visit me online at Susan Newman Design. Thank you.